Paslode conversion. This is an Australian Paslode gun, second fix. They want it converted to take the European gas. Different setup for the Australian gun. So, with a new cylinder head, yellow stem adapter, and a gas door. Now, this isn't actually that bad. It's not all that dirty. So this just needs to be converted. There's no reason for a service. She's good to go. Get rid of that door. Australian one has a different setup. Totally different gas. No stem get on here. Australian gas stem points straight up. This boy sits on top of it. So I need to get rid of this whole aluminium head. Leave that. We do need everything off this cylinder head. To keep all these things to fit onto the new cylinder. It's your motor, and also on here little liner, packs out the motor, keeps it nice and tight. That only comes with the motor, so change that over as well. And lastly, you also need your spark plug. This boy here. So need to keep them. Get rid of that. These are the parts you need. Gas door, back cover, because the holes are actually different. New cylinder head, and a yellow stem adapter. Price wise, the door costs about 20, back cover costs about 30 quid. Cylinder head's the dearest, that costs about 70 quid. And the yellow stem adapter is roughly about a tenner. So parts alone you're onto about 130 quid just for the parts. Then labour and service then on top of it if it's needed. So not a cheap repair, but if you take your gun back, that's your option if you want to use it over here. Right. quite simple to do as long as you have all the parts. That's your cylinder head. Simple as that. Just a straight swap. Everything else is the same. Not much difference in the two back covers. The only thing is the screw hole's different. It's set further back so it doesn't go into this hole. To replace that whole cover. There's the second hand one. Keep the cost down a wee bit. You can use the same filter as well. That's it. One Paslode, now IM65 running on the European gas. That's her. One Australian Paslode, now converted to take European gas. That's how you do it, if you want to do it yourselves. Thanks for watching, lads. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and a follow. If you want to support the channel, give us a subscribe as well. Cheers.